You spot a breakout, enter a buy order, and instantly the price violently reverses, hitting your stop loss. Large institutions intentionally trigger these retail stops to generate the high volume of orders needed to fill their own massive positions. This chart shows a liquidity sweep, where price breaks resistance just far enough to trigger a cascade of retail buy orders, which are immediately absorbed by institutional sell orders. Identifying this manipulation allows you to trade alongside the smart money instead of becoming their exit liquidity. To do this, we use the ICT Turtle Soup strategy, a specific methodology designed to trade directly against these false breakouts. We will use a 5-step technical framework to identify and exploit these specific setups with precision. This framework converts institutional manipulation into a systematic advantage. Step 1 requires starting your analysis strictly on higher timeframes, specifically the 1-hour or 4-hour charts. This chart shows how to locate major swing highs and lows to draw horizontal boundaries at the peaks. These lines represent the physical locations where retail stops are densely concentrated. Mapping these levels accurately identifies the liquidity pools institutions will target. These boundaries provide the architectural blueprint for exactly where the institutional traps will occur. Now, monitor the price action closely as it approaches these horizontal boundary lines. The rule for a valid sweep: price must pierce the boundary by exactly 5 to 20 pips. If price pushes 30 or more pips beyond the level without pausing, the setup has transitioned into a genuine breakout. You must entirely abort the trade. Strict adherence to the 20-pip limit separates a calculated liquidity grab from a dangerous runaway trend. The moment that pip sleep occurs, immediately drop down to the 5-minute or 15-minute chart. This chart shows the market structure shift, confirming institutional sentiment has reversed. The lower timeframe candle must physically close back inside the original range, leaving a long wick exposed. This prominent wick represents the rapid rejection of higher prices by massive institutional sell orders. Waiting for this structural validation ensures you are entering on a confirmed reversal rather than a random price spike. Step 4 is execution. Immediately upon that lower timeframe confirmation, execute a market order in the opposite direction of the failed breakout. The risk parameters: stop loss must sit just a few pips beyond the extreme tip of the reversal wick. Set your take profit target at the next major structural support level. This specific entry logic maintains a minimum 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. Combining these tight stop losses with structural targets creates a statistical framework where the rewards consistently outweigh the individual losses. Integrating higher timeframe levels with lower timeframe rejection provides a clear view of how institutional order flow moves through the market. This strategy performs best in ranging or consolidating environments, where price frequently hunts liquidity above and below established boundaries. You can begin practicing these specific sweeps and reversals using an NX1 demo account. 0.0 pip spreads and ultra-fast execution are mathematically critical for capturing these tight margin reversal setups. Mastering the ICT Turtle Soup strategy aligns your execution with institutional moves, allowing you to profit from the very traps that catch the rest of the market.